The spirituality within the Gulen movement and the practices of spirituality, which is integral to the Christian faith also. I appreciated the distinction that there is knowledge and spirituality, and those two things necessarily must come together, that the more we have knowledge, the more we are able to work and towards being more spiritual beings. I especially appreciated in this last presentation the talk about sacred space within the Gulen movement and how the sacred space begins with the individual and moves out in successive rings to essentially encompass all of humanity and all of the universe that God has given us. Again, I could almost take this whole cloth into Christianity, but it's good for me to know that Muslims feel much the same way I do. And I really appreciated the emphasis on the role of the individual. As a Christian, in America, I see images of Islam around the world, and it seems to be mass behavior, almost cultism. But learning that prayer is integral, and it is individual prayer that is the center of that sacred space, I find tremendously enlightening, and which is something that I'm going to go back and tweak a little bit, but talk to my congregation about. If you want to create sacred space, you don't need to come to church on Sunday morning, though that's integral to our faith. You need to stop and pray, and the act of prayer will create sacred space.